Server upgrading TikTok live problem. If you're trying to go live on TikTok and keep seeing the server upgrading or please try again message, don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix this issue and get you back to live streaming in no time. So let's get into it. First, before diving into troubleshooting, it's important to make sure the issue isn't on TikTok's end. Sometimes TikTok is performing server maintenance, which can cause temporary outages. You can check Twitter or TikTok's official support page for any announcements about server upgrades. If the issue isn't related to server maintenance, try restarting the TikTok app. Simply close the app completely and simply open it again. Sometimes a simple restart can solve the issue. Next, check if you have the latest version of TikTok app installed on your device. Open App Store or Google Play Store and simply search for TikTok and see if there is an update available. If there is, simply go ahead and update the app as newer version may have bug fixes that resolve this issue. Next, a slow or unstable internet connection can cause issues with going live on TikTok. Make sure you have a stable Wi Fi connection or good mobile data coverage. If you're using Wi Fi, simply try resetting your router or switching to mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Lastly, if none of the steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling TikTok again. This can help resolve any corrupted files or settings that might be causing the issue. Simply uninstall the app and install again and log back into your account. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps help you resolve the server upgrading issue on TikTok Live.